So today is the UN Human Rights Day, the 10th of December, and we are here at Llanover Hall trying to celebrate this day with the key decision makers and authorities within Cardiff.
I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. Picked up my shovel and walked through mine. It's on that number 9 post. People said, well, bless my soul, you know.
It's Human Rights Day today, and I think that human rights are really important because they affect us in our everyday life more than we can even imagine.
I think it's a fantastic idea for the Youth Council to celebrate the International Human Rights Day in the way that they are doing, because this is a celebration, but it's also a challenge.
They are people who have the power to make changes within Cardiff, and we want to make sure that they know that we have a voice.
I think this is a really good opportunity to actually have one-on-one communication.
It's very good for us to engage with young people, to understand what young people want from the world today, and so that we can respect the rights of young people.
This is us actually taking control and telling them exactly what we want to do within our rights.
We have to make sure that we listen to the young people who are the future and the current users of our services.
And I think it's important for someone like me, who does a lot of work around children's rights and young people's rights with politicians, NGOs and others, to understand what rights actually mean to the people that we seek to speak on behalf of.
I think that giving young people the avenue and opportunity for self-expression is absolutely essential. It should be written into any government policy.
Every time you get close to the top, you fall crashing down from the sky, crashing down from the sky.
I liked the last presentation in particular about the impact of the cuts, and that thought about if we don't invest in our youth, that we're not investing in our city, and I think that is so true.
Austerity, as it seems to be called, is affecting so many things that affect so many people, and of course it's going to have an impact on young people, so it's good to see them engaging with those issues and finding their voice to speak up.
We're trying to get across the importance of every single youth service that Cardiff Council provide, and as a human right, and it states in the UNCRC Article 12,
when making decisions affecting young people and children, they have a right to say what they think should happen and have their opinions taken into account. To do this, young people need information.
I've been very impressed with its organisation, a very good sort of warm-up in terms of having a discussion with young people about various key words that are central to their lives, culture, well-being and words like that. Then some great performance and some food and some chat, and then some phenomenally moving and meaningful contributions by young people in terms of arguing about the potential impact of fairly significant cuts in public services for young people, and obviously they want to defend the line and try to hold on to those provisions and opportunities that youth services, broadly defined, are making available to them.
Without our basic human rights, without the ability to live a life of value and of meaning, how can we appreciate the privilege of living? Thank you very much.
Every time you get close to the top, you fall crashing down from the sky, crashing